sa naging post ng Preview PH, did you know SB19 is the first Filipino group set to perform at Lollapalooza? Mula sa naging update ng Preview sa kanilang artikulo, narito nga po ang kanilang ibinahagi. Last April 18, SB19 successfully held the highly anticipated Wakas at Simula, the trilogy concert finale at the SMDC Festival grounds. The sold-out shows was their biggest concert to date, but ahead of the quintet is another massive stage. Muli ay ibinahagi nga ng preview ang naging announcement ng SB19 na sila po ay magpe-perform sa Lollapalooza. SB19 to be the first Filipino group to perform at Lollapalooza. In case you miss it, SB19 surprised their supporters, fondly known as 18, with an official announcement last month. They wrote on X, "We're so thrilled to announce that we'll be performing at the Lollapalooza stage this 2026. Matapos itong i-announce ng SB19 ay grabing nag-trending agad-agad ito sa social media at syempre ang pinakaunang natuwa ay walang iba kundi ang 18. Ang Lollapalooza ay para ring Coachella na daang libong tao ang ina-expect na pupunta doon at manunood. For the uninitiated, Lollapalooza is an annual music festival held in Chicago, Illinois. Over 4 days, hundreds of performers from around the globe come together to showcase their talents. It celebrates a myriad of genres, from pop and hip-hop to punk rock and heavy metal. According to report, an estimated 115,000 people attend each day. It was founded in the early 90s, making it one of the largest and longest-running musical festivals in the world. Kung sa bawat araw ay nagkakaroon ng 150 na tinatayang pinakamababa na nga po na manunood sa Lollapalooza, talaga naman po palang nakapagtala na ng isang festival ang SB19 sa ginanap nilang concert noong April 18 kung saan tinataya na 100,000 na tao ang nandoon para suportahan at mapanood ang Wakas at Simula concert at homecoming concert ng SB19. Sa bagay, nung nasabi nga pong concert, ito ang halos nabasa natin sa social media na kayang-kaya naman pala ng Pinoy at ng SB19 na magkaroon ng sariling music festival at hindi lang mga Pinoy ang nanood dyan dahil may mga foreigner na lumipad papuntang Pilipinas para suportahan ang SB19. At yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.